Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is the lecture 4 of vocabulary series. So let's get into the video. In this video we'll discuss about the root word theo, which means God or anything that is related to God. First one, thearchy. The plus archy. Government under God. In the previous class we learned words regarding archy. Next one, theocracy. Theo means God, cracy means it's a form of government. Government directed by priests or clergy representing God. Next one, theocentric. Theo plus centric. Assuming God to be the center. Theocrat. Theo plus crat. One who favors theocracy. Now one who favors this form of government, he is called theocrat. Next one, theogamy. Now we learned about Gummi. Gummi means it is related to marriage. Theo means God. Now theogamy means the marriage of gods. Theolatry. Theo plus latry. It is about worship of God. Next one, theology. In the previous class we learned about logy. Logy means related to study. So the study of elements of religion. Theologist. Theo plus logist. One who studies or religion. Next, theologian. Theo plus logian. A theological scholar. It is same as theologist. Theomania. In our first class we learned about mania. Mania means excessive desire about something. Here theomania means a condition in which the patient imagines himself to be the God. Next, monotheism. Mono plus theism. Mono means single. So theism means belief in single God. Next, atheist. Here A means opposite. The plus east. East is related to ist is related to person. So atheist means one who does not believe in existence of God. He is an atheist. Next one, polytheism. Poly means multiple. Theism means related to God. So belief in multiple gods is called polytheism. Next one, pantheism. Pan plus theism. Now pan is everywhere. Pan meaning is everywhere or universally. Now pantheism is belief that God is everywhere. Now let's see the root word of pan. Pan means all or universal. Panacea. Pan plus aka. Panacea. A cure for all ills. Next, panarchy. Archy is related to government or rule. So pan means it is all or universal. So panarchy is universal rule. Next one, pancreatic. Pan plus critic. Person who knows all subjects. He is called pancreatic. Next one, pancreas. It is a large gland in human body. Next one, panpolism. Pan plus polism. Polism is related to polity. So it is equality of civic rights. Next one, pan-sophy. Pan plus sophy. It is also known as universal wisdom. Pantheism. Pan plus theism. In the previous word we have learned about theism. Theism means it's a religion. Pantheism is the doctrine. It is or the belief that the forces and laws of the universe are equal to God. Next, Pantheon. Pan plus theon. It is a temple dedicated to all gods. It is called Pantheon. Next one, Panmnesia. Pan plus mnesia. It is a theory that all mental impressions continue in the memory. It is called Panmnesia. Now, Panopticon. Pan plus Opticon. Opticon means it is related to seeing. So it is a combination of telescope and microscope. It is called Panopticon. Next one, Panorama. Pan plus Orama. It is called a picture unrolled part by part before the spectator. We have seen it in our mobile phones, panorama view. Next one, Pangenesis. Pan plus Genesis. Genesis means giving birth or its origin. Pangenesis means a theory that claims that heredity is a result of all cells circulating freely in the body. Now, Pantisocracy. Pan plus Tisocracy. Utopia. Utopia means it's a place where all would rule equally. Here, utopia means place. Panharmonic. Pan means all. Harmonic means mutual understanding. In universal accord or agreement. Now, Panhuman. Pan means all. Human means humanity. Panhuman means it is relating to all humanity. Next one, Pandemic. Pandemic. It's relating to all people or it is related to universal. Pandemonium. Pan plus demonium. Demon means evil. Wild uproar as if all demons were let loose. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Yotaram Education.